Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how I fix the email could not can't be sent out to distribution group from the internet in hybrid environment. We have a user has sent a request for she did not receive any emails sent to the distribution group from the internet. When other people send an email, to the distribution group, and she is already in the group, but she did not receive the email. So after I get this, request incident, I just check the distribution group. So the first thing I want to do is I just send an email from my email address, because I'm from the other company. I just send an email from my email address to the distribution group, and then I run the PowerShell command window, open the PowerShell command window and run the command below. The first one is to run the connect-exchange online, which connect to the exchange. When we run this command, it will pop up a window for the Office 365 administrator, username, password, and also the multi-factor authentication. And after I connect to the exchange online, I run the second command is $now equals get date is get the current date of the current time, and then I put the $start equals $now at days -1. This means we just start time is the like yesterday, just -1 means yesterday. Then I run the command to get the report for the email sent through. So I run this get dash message trace, and send address is my email address, and send start state is from yesterday, and end date is now, and then I select everything and then export to the CSV file. After I open the CSV file, I can see the message is, status shows failed. So you see this message shows failed. And then I run the second command to get the message details. This is use the message trace ID. Trace ID is in this document, in the CSV file above, and get the message trace details, and then I get the error message says authentication required. So the email could not be delivered because they does not allow the internet users to send the email to this distribution group. So after I find this error, I go to the next step, because it shows, external email, because external email address could not be authenticated. So we needed to do something. So I log into the admin.microsoft.com and explain the teams and groups, and then go to active teams and groups, find the group. When I open the group, I get this message says, you can only manage the group in your on-premise environment. Use the Active Directory, which means the group is created on-premise, is synchronized to the cloud. So after I get this information, I then go to the Active Directory. I also run this command, use PowerShell run the command, get a distribution group, and then identity is the group by email address and FAI to export to the TXT file. When I open the TXT file, I can see the required send authentication label is true. So we need to change this one to false in order to receive email from internet. So let's see what I can do. I log into the domain controller on premise, and then I go to find the distribution group, and then I click the attribute editor. Then I can see the MSEXCH require auth to send to is set to true. So I just click edit button, and then I change this one to false. And after this one, just attribute changed. I just open the PowerShell from the domain controller because he is also a Azure AD connector installed on it. So I run the PowerShell, open the PowerShell command, on the domain controller, and run start AD sync cycle, dash policy type data, which means I run forced to synchronize the change to the 365 Azure Cloud. And after this, I run the, I can see the required sender authentication enable is changed to false. So that's what I run this command again, run this one. I can see this one changed to false. And then after this, I can send the email. I send the email to the distribution group. And I can see it's delivered to all the members to the group successfully. So how can I see this? I can just run this from the command above. I just run this now, equals get data and run the get message, to export to the CSV file. After I open the file, I can see it's all delivered to the members of the group. Yeah, that's all I show you for today. So just show you how to allow the email to send it to the distribution group in the hybrid environment. Thank you.